Hello, I'm Bjarne Stroustrup. I'm the original implementer of C++ and the designer of C++. I'm now a professor at Texas A&M University in Texas and a member of the National Academy of Engineering in the US. I am also an author of some books and a lot of technical papers which you can find on my home pages. I'll soon be coming to Moscow to give a keynote at the Central and Eastern European Software Engineering Conference, and I'll be talking about C++ OX. That's the new standard for C++ that's going to be here very soon, probably next year. This talk will not be science fiction because the final committee draft of the standard is available and the implementations are already starting to implement C++ OX features, and many people ship pretty good approximations of the new standard library. For instance, you can get language features in the GNU implementations and the Microsoft implementations. In my keynote, I will focus on design rules and principles with a lot of examples. I'll be talking about the support for concurrency that's now in C++ OX to cope with modern architectures and multi-cores and that kind of stuff. There's threads in the library, we have locks and also some higher level facilities. I'm going to present a few language features, mostly related to generic programming, that will be supported better in C++ OX. There will be a uniform and general initialization syntax. There will be lambdas for specifying operations to algorithms. I'll talk a little bit about performance enhancements. There are better support for generic and high performance programming, embedded systems programming. For instance, we have generalization of the constant expression evaluation mechanism called constexpr. And there's facilities for making C++ OX easier to use, easier to learn. Things like you can now define a variable without specifying its type. If you initialize it, it simply gets its type from its initializer. There's also an improved for loop, things like that. There are libraries like regular expressions, threads, resource management pointers and such. Clearly this is far too much for a short keynote, but I hope to be able to explain a little bit about how these features are designed to fit together like building bricks to allow you to do far more powerful things than you can do with any one feature at a time. I'll also be giving some tutorials in Moscow in connection with the conference, but they'll mostly focus on existing C++ and how to use that well. So I'm looking forward to coming and hope to see you in Moscow in October. Bye.